Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to change LinkedIn username. Let's start this video. Open your LinkedIn application, then click on your profile on the top left corner. Again click on your profile. Now click on this pencil button in front of your profile picture, and from here you can change your first and last name. And another way of changing username is to click on these three dots in front of add section, then click on contact info. Now click on this pencil button in front of the contact option. Click on profile URL. A new page will open up where you can customize your username. Just click on this pencil button and then select this, and then you can change your username from here. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.